Shopping for jewelry CAD software? Here's what nobody tells you. The tools that make stunning engagement rings are completely different from what you need for organic sculptural pendants, and most beginners pick the wrong one. If you're designing parametric jewelry like rings and gemstone settings, Rhino 7 with Matrix Gold is the industry standard. It gives you automatic prong placement, built-in gemstone libraries with accurate pavilion angles, and dynamic sizing that adjusts metal weight when you change ring dimensions. Downside? Nearly $2,000 and a steep learning curve. For sculptural organic work, ZBrush handles high-detail modeling better, but you'll need to export to Rhino for cleanup before printing. On a budget? Blender is free but brutally complex. Fusion 360 costs $85 monthly but offers easier parametric workflows. And if you're brand new to jewelry design, 3Design CAD has the most approachable interface with jewelry-specific constraints built in from day one. Bottom line, match the tool to your work. Parametric production jewelry needs different software than one-off artistic pieces. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.